Okay, let's dive deep into this.
Yeah.
We've been looking at some really interesting source material you shared. It's an article that maps out some practical ways people, maybe even you listening, can use AI, artificial intelligence, to actually generate income.
Yeah, what really jumped out at me was how the source frames AI. It's not just, software. It literally calls it a potential gold mine.
Right. And a virtual business partner. I like that description.
Exactly. So our mission here is really to unpack those actionable, accessible opportunities the source talks about. And the key thing is it suggests ways that work whether you're super technical or, frankly, not at all.
Precisely. It makes AI feel less like some abstract thing coming down the line and more like something you can, well, partner with today.
Mm-hmm. And the article lays out 7 specific methods, kind of like blueprints for creators, entrepreneurs, freelancers.
Or really anyone wanting to add a pretty powerful tool to their business or side hustle.
Yeah.
So let's get into that first area the source explores.
Okay, so the source kicks things off with selling AI-generated content.
This feels like maybe the most direct starting point for a lot of people. The article mentions tools we hear about a lot: ChatGPT, Jasper, Copy.ai.
Right, and it points out how fast they can churn out different kinds of text. Think blog posts, product descriptions.
Social media updates, that kind of stuff.
And the source suggests a few ways to actually make money from that speed. You could, say, start a freelance writing business.
Using the AI to just boost your output massively.
Yeah.
Take on more clients than you could before.
Or you could go bigger, use AI to help write entire ebooks or guides, then sell them on platforms like Gumroad or Payhip.
That's interesting. Another angle it mentions is offering these quick content services directly to small businesses.
Yeah, businesses that need a constant stream of text for their marketing or website.
And there's a smart pro tip in there too. It basically says, yeah, use ChatGPT for the outline, maybe even a first draft.
But the real quality, the value, comes when you step in. You refine it, add your personal touch, your expertise.
It's augmentation, not just hitting generate and walking away if you want top tier stuff.
Exactly. And what's interesting for you, the listener, is how this shifts things. If you're already a writer or you want to be, AI isn't necessarily replacing you.
Right. It's replacing the staring at a blank page part.
Kind of. It speeds up the drafting so you can focus your human skills on the polishing, the strategy, the unique angle, and potentially, yeah, increase your income ceiling quite a bit.
Okay, so that covers text. Moving on to visuals, the second method the article gets into is creating and selling AI-generated art.
Right. This taps into that whole explosion of AI tools that can make pretty stunning images just from text prompts. The source lists some of the big ones: Midjourney, DALE.
Leonardo AI, Night Cafe.
Hmm.
It highlights how incredibly fast they can be.
And the really interesting part, especially for listeners, is how the source says you can monetize this, even if you wouldn't call yourself an artist in the traditional sense.
Yeah, that's key.
Yeah.
It suggests selling designs you create using these tools on print-on-demand platforms.
Exactly. Places like Redbubble, Teespring, Etsy, you upload your AI-generated design.
And they handle putting it on T-shirts, mugs, posters, whatever, but only when someone actually orders it.
So low upfront risk for you. Or another route is offering custom digital art services. You could use freelance sites like Fiverr or Upwork.
So someone needs unique art for a project, and you use AI as your tool to generate options for them.
Yeah. The source even touches on NFTs using platforms like OpenSea, though it does note, that market's got its own complexities.
Definitely. And it even suggests a free tool to just try things out, Crayon. You might remember it as DLA Mini.
Mm-hmm. So the big takeaway here for you is that AI has really lowered the barrier to entry for creating visuals. If you've got ideas, but maybe not the drawing skills.
This opens up a whole new creative avenue, and maybe a way to make some money, too.
Potentially, yeah.
All right, let's broaden the scope a bit. Method 3 is about starting an AI-powered blog or even a YouTube channel.
Okay, this one's about using AI almost like your content engine, fueling the whole creation process.
End to end.
Pretty much. The source explains how you can use AI for scripting, for generating the actual content, maybe even helping with editing, optimizing, potentially running a decent-sized content operation without needing a huge team.
So for blogging, it talks about using something like ChatGPT combined with SEO tools like Surfer SEO or Neuron Writer.
Right. SEO, search engine optimization, is all about getting your stuff seen in search results. The AI helps write fast.
And the SEO tools help make sure it's visible. That makes sense.
And then you monetize like any blog ads, affiliate links, maybe selling your own digital products eventually.
And what about the YouTube side?
So for YouTube, the source specifically mentions tools like Pictory, Synthesia, or HeyGen. These can help create what are called faceless videos.
Meaning you don't have to be on camera yourself.
Exactly. You might use AI avatars or tools that turn your script into video scenes automatically.
Huh. So you could take an AI-generated script, feed it into one of these tools, and potentially build a whole channel that way.
That's the idea. And monetize it through YouTube AdSense, affiliate links, sponsorships, the usual routes.
So boiling this down for you, the listener, it's really about tackling the sheer volume of work involved in content creation, right?
And maybe some of the technical hurdles, too. If you've dreamt of having a blog or channel but felt overwhelmed by the effort, AI could automate big chunks of it, making it feel, well, more doable.
Okay, shifting gears now. Method number 4 gets into actually building stuff specifically, building and selling no-code AI agents or chatbots.
Yeah, and the key word there is no code. The source really emphasizes that you don't need to be a programmer.
You don't need to write lines of code.
Nope. You use platforms like Flowise AI, BotPress, or maybe Zapier AI to build helpful little AI tools.
So automated assistance for specific jobs, like what examples does it give?
Well, practical things like building a chatbot for a business's WhatsApp or Instagram. Something that could handle basic sales questions or customer support automatically.
Okay, I can see how that would be useful for businesses.
Or you could build more niche tools. The article suggests things like, say, an AI resume builder tailored to a specific industry, or maybe a simple AI diet coach, or a writing assistant focused on a certain style.
So you build these using the no-code platforms,
Yeah.
and then what?
You could sell access to the tool as a service, maybe a monthly fee, or you could sell the actual bot or agent to businesses to use themselves.
And the source points to marketplaces like Lemon Squeezy, Gumroad, Product Hunt, as places you might list these creations.
What's really interesting about this one for you is it's about creating solutions. You spot a problem AI can automate, build the fix without coding, and then sell it. You're basically productizing AI's capabilities.
Method 5 feels like it builds on what people might already be doing,
Yeah.
offering AI-powered freelancing services.
Yeah, this is less about creating something totally new from scratch and more about supercharging your existing skills, making your work way more efficient.
The source uses the phrase 10x your productivity. That's quite a claim.
It is, but the idea is integrating AI tools into your current freelance workflow. So if you already do SEO work,
You could use AI with tools like Surfer SEO or SEMrush, like we mentioned, to do the research and analysis much faster.
exactly. Or if you work with data, maybe using AI alongside Excel or Power BI to find insights quicker.
It could apply to lots of things, I guess. Social media automation.
Resume writing, using AI to tailor, resumes rapidly. It's really about using AI as your assistant, your co-pilot to work smarter, not just harder.
Allowing you to maybe take on more clients or charge a premium for faster turnaround.
Precisely. And the source mentions the usual spots to find clients for these boosted services: Fiverr, Upwork, LinkedIn, relevant Facebook groups.
So the core idea for you here,
Uh-huh.
look at your current job or side hustle. Where are the repetitive tasks? Where are the bottlenecks?
And ask yourself, could AI help speed that specific part up? Becoming more efficient can directly translate to more income or more free time.
Okay, method 6 is related, but different. It's focused specifically on creating and selling AI-powered digital products.
Right. So not offering a service enhanced by AI, but using AI to actually help create the digital things you sell.
What kind of things?
The source lists examples like Canva templates. Maybe AI helps generate layout ideas or graphic elements you then refine and package.
Or Notion dashboards. That's a popular one. AI could maybe help structure the information or even write some initial content for the dashboard.
Possibly. Or think about online courses or tutorials. AI could help with outlining the course, drafting scripts, maybe even generating quiz questions.
And it also mentioned a newer type of product, selling AI prompts or chat templates.
Yeah, these are basically pre-written instructions or frameworks that help people get better results from AI models like ChatGPT. You figure out a great prompt structure for a specific task, package it up, and sell it.
Saving other people time. And where do you sell these?
Again, marketplaces like Gumroad, Etsy, Ko-Fi are mentioned.
The article gave a really concrete example too, didn't it? Something like creating an ebook.
Yeah, like 50 AI-powered business ideas and selling it for, say, $9.99. Using AI to generate the ideas, then packaging them into a simple, sellable digital product.
So for you, the listener, this is about spotting a need or an interest and using AI not just to do work, but to create the actual asset you're going to sell. leveraging AI's ability to generate ideas, content structure.
And turning that into a product.
Okay, and the final method, number 7, outlined in the source, is affiliate marketing with AI tools.
Ah, yes, a classic online income model, but with an AI twist. It's about earning commissions by recommending AI platforms that have affiliate programs.
Often recurring commissions, right? Like a percentage of the monthly fee if someone signs up.
Often, yes, which can be quite attractive. So you'd pick AI tools you actually use, and like the article mentions examples like Jasper, Copy.ai, Flowise, Pictory, many we've discussed.
Tools that offer these affiliate programs.
Right, then the steps are pretty clear. You create content about these tools. Could be blog posts reviewing them, YouTube tutorials showing how to use them, maybe social media posts.
And the crucial part, you include your unique affiliate link in that content.
Exactly. When someone clicks your link and signs up or buys a subscription, you get paid a commission by the tools company.
And the source adds a neat little meta tip.
Huh, yeah. Use AI itself to help you create that promotional content. Use AI to write the video scripts, draft the emails for your list, brainstorm review angles.
So it's AI helping you make money by promoting other AI. A nice little loop.
It is. And the key thing for you here is if you're already someone who enjoys playing with new AI tools, learning how they work.
You can turn that curiosity and knowledge directly into an income stream just by sharing what you learn and guiding others to useful platforms.
Turns your learning into earning, basically.
So going through all 7 of these methods from the source, it really hammers home that initial idea the article presented. AI isn't just tech.
It's framed as this accessible virtual business partner.
And whether you're thinking about a small side hustle or maybe a full startup, or even just making your current job run smoother,
The source makes a strong argument that there's likely an AI-powered path you could explore.
one of the most powerful points, I think, is that emphasis on accessibility. These aren't just for coders.
Not at all. Many are specifically highlighted as opportunities for people with zero coding background, which opens things up considerably.
And the advice woven throughout is very practical. Start small, don't try to boil the ocean.
Experiment. Use the free tools first, get a feel for things. Then, if something clicks, you can scale up, invest more time or maybe money as you learn and see results.
So wrapping up, if AI really can be this partner in generating income today, helping you create, build, optimize, market, beat, it does leave you with a pretty big question about the future, doesn't it?
Like if AI is handling more and more of the doing,
Yeah.
what skills become most important for us humans? What unique abilities will you need to really focus on cultivating so you can collaborate effectively with this new virtual business partner as things evolve?
That's definitely something to chew on. What does that human AI collaboration look like in the years ahead?